Gingerbread. Materials: half a cup of molasses, 1 cup of sugar, 5 tablespoons of melted butter, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of soda, 1 egg, 2½ cups of Pillsbury's baste, and 1 cup of hot water. Way of preparing: put molasses in a bowl. Add sugar, melted butter, cinnamon, and ginger. Put soda and salt in a cup and fill with hot water. Stir into first mixture. Add flour, then a well-beaten egg. Beat hard. Bake for 30 minutes in a well-greased pan. Watch the oven closely, as gingerbread burns easily. This makes a good-sized cake.